So now we have already discussed about what the stream is, how stream API works, what are the intermediate operation, what are the terminal operations. Now we will be all talking about some logical examples, logical programs which are often asked in the interview. And these programs are also going to be use of all the methods we have discussed priorly. Okay. Now we will start with a very simple one and then we will increase the complexity of them. Okay. Starting with, if we have given a list of number, how we can get the sum of them. Okay. So basically let us create a class sum calculator, and within that we have main. Now we have list of integers. So let's say we have integer values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now these are the numbers. We want to get sum of all these elements within this list. All right. For that we have couple of approaches. So one is convert into a stream and then map them to integer. So basically we have an existing method map to int, and this map to int takes a function. Okay. So we can pass a function. So basically we have this int values, we have to convert them into integer. So integer, and then we have a method int value. Okay. Now they are getting mapped to the integer. Right. Now for getting the sum we have a straight away method sum. Okay. Now let me store into a local variable, and this should give the sum of all these elements. So this is one approach. Let me just print them sum. Save this and run this. 15. That's right. Okay. So basically what we have done is we have converted this list into a stream, mapped these elements into an integer, and then we have boxed them basically into integer, and then we have a sum method on that. Okay. So this is how we can get the sum. So basically we converted this numbers to a stream, and then we converted to an int stream, and within int stream we have this sum, average, max, min. We can call them straight away, right? This is one approach. Second approach is we can use reduce method. How can we use reduce method? Numbers dot stream dot reduce. Now inside reduce we have to pass two things. One is identity and the function. Okay, if I go, it takes a identity and then the function. Okay, the binary operator. So let me go inside. It takes the identity and then the binary operator. This is the accumulator, basically the method which is going to accumulate all the values, right? So here I can pass 0, comma, integer, and integer class we have sum method. So this is going to accumulate all these values. Go to introduce a local variable. So it is going to be reduce sum. We can give any name, and then s out of reduce sum. So this is another approach to getting the sum of the values. Okay, again the value is, result is 15, which is correct. So this is how, these are the approaches to get sum of all the elements of a list. Now we will talk about some different problems in the upcoming videos. Also, after few examples we will also talk about duplicate finder count and all. Those are going to use grouping by, counting and all. They will be very interesting. Okay, so I hope you stay till